today and then have unlimited wash for a month.
Okay, and then what is it the following month?
Based off whichever package you want. So these are the original package prices, but if you wanted to do diamond today and for the rest of the month, you could, so you would get everything included, and then you could cancel it right before it wouldn't even charge you that full price. These are the monthly prices. But I mean, yeah.
Yeah.
You would pay $5 today for whichever one of your choosing.
Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna do the platinum today.
Okay.
But I'm just gonna do that today.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So just a regular wash.
Please select a car wash by pressing.
Right.
Would you like to upgrade? Please select. To complete your purchase, please insert cash or card.
Oh, wait, hold on. Does it have tap? Oh, no. But yeah. I'm gonna do the chip.
Yeah, I tried to tap it yesterday and it didn't tap very well, so I'm like, oh well, whatever.
Alright, so there's that. There's the package.
You are now ready to enter the car wash.
Thank you so
Please
much.
proceed by following
Have
the
a great
directions
day.
on the signs ahead. And
Yeah.
thank you again for your car wash
All right.
purchase.
All right, make sure. All right. All right. All right. Today is, what's today's date? January 14th, 2024. And we're getting the, oh, look at that. We're getting the car washed for the wedding. Although I have to work this week, so it's going to get dirty a little bit, but at least we can vacuum it, have it at least a little decent, right? Zipping right along here, huh? Green eggs. I think next month I might get the package. We're clean now for a little while. Oh, there's quite a few people here today. Okay. Let's go right here. No, let's go over here. It almost looked like Jessica for a second.